To start a patient note, click on the search icon in the top menu and start typing the name of the client. Select them and IntakeQ will open the client's profile. On the left, you'll see the client timeline. To add a note, click the green addition button and select Create New Note. Then choose a form template you previously created and click on Continue. A new empty note record will be displayed and you can start to fill it out. You can fill this note out similarly to a questionnaire, however you have some extra options where you can rearrange or remove questions on the fly. When filling out the note, you can type out your answers in an open answer type question. However, you can also use snippets, which are general narrative text you use regularly for many patients and can help save you time while filling out your notes. You can also use the microphone button if you use Google Chrome to dictate your notes, another time-saving feature. The system autosaves as you go, and when you're done, click on Lock to put that note in a read-only state. You can go back and edit later. However, this step is important if you use our pinned notes feature and want your prior notes to pre-fill future iterations of your treatment notes. Notes are never deleted unless you specifically opt to and are saved in chronological order on the left-hand side of a patient's timeline.